fucking piece of shit. Fucking. Pero fucking uno. Fucking tres. I could have, I don't know if you can even, yeah, it has eye. I can with these little ones. If I have 2 mangas of one of the series, and website is Sensei. And that's my picture behind the blossom, but I can't fucking put it anywhere. So yeah, I have fucking a lot of Legos. But I put, I forgot what that guy said. Sorry. Let's go see for a bear pain. And heck yeah, look at that bitch. Fucking dripped. I should probably draw. And yeah, the painting that you can kind of see is correct. But it's okay. It's not totally correct. So yeah, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.